Every company makes claims. They say they have the best customer service. They say they build the best products. They say they stand behind the work. But here's the question every homeowner should ask. How do you know? Today, I don't want you to believe our claims simply because we say them. I want to show you how to verify them, whether you choose TLC or another contractor. We believe trust should be earned with evidence, not marketing. We claim we've served Maryland homeowners for more than 42 years. So don't just believe us. Look at our history. Look at our projects. Talk to our customers. We claim we're educators first. That's why we answer questions. We publish articles. We create videos. We talk openly about pricing. We build free estimators. We believe homeowners deserve information before they ever call us. We claim we stand behind our work. We back that up with warranties, membership programs, and long-term service. So here's what I'd like you to remember. Don't believe our claims. Ask us to prove them. And ask every contractor you interview to do exactly the same thing. The companies worth trusting won't be afraid to show you the evidence. Watch our videos, read our articles, use our free estimators, then make the decision that's best for your home. Thanks for watching.